Wow. Hey, Pateep.
Hello.
Just don't burn the house.
I'm gonna try.
All right.
That's good work.
Ooh. Now what's that right there?
That's Chinese sausage. It's sweet.
Oh, okay. Never had it.
Kind of like bacon, but
Oh, okay. You got us there.
it's corn.
Okay. Fantastic. Tofu? Okay.
Yep.
Wow. Very healthy. Cancels out the bacon.
You say so.
Yeah. I see veggies, eggs, and we have onions. Yum. Wow. Wow. Oop. Wow. Is that a veggie medley?
Have you seen Betty since she's been back?
Yes. When was that? Thursday? She came
Oh.
back. Well, not the first day, a couple days after that.
Mm-hmm. Now you added, would you add just some spices?
Onions, garlic.
Garlic, okay. Garlic, okay. It's looking pretty.
Oh, this is
Okay. Now this is the fried rice.
ham,
Oh,
egg, rice.
that's right. I missed the eggs. Sorry about that. I
egg,
wasn't paying
rice,
attention. Okay.
pepper.
Pepper, all right. This is rice cooked yesterday?
Soy sauce. And the rice was cooked yesterday.
Uh-huh. Now this is jasmine.
It's
This is jasmine rice?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Louis wants to know, did you wash the rice?
Absolutely. Just one.
Oh, absolutely, okay. Louis, we did that for the first time on the boat when Louis made fried rice because he looked up a YouTube video and they were washing the rice multiple times. Kept getting it till it wasn't, so starchy. I didn't even know you were supposed to do that at all.
You can just wash it so
The starch
now you
stuff.
get the dirt off it.
Yeah. Action. Okay, so that is, oh, I see. Some of the veggies going into this.
And then there.
Uh-huh.
And then pour stuff.
Okay. Oh. That's looking pretty. Some of this I may speed up to 2x.
Yeah.
And man, dinner is in 10 minutes.
What?
At 2x. Okay. Dish number 2, starting with vegetable oil. Oh, I see. As long as it doesn't come in with the flame, right? I'm on this side, so I'll watch it. Okay. Ooh, that looks like some beef. Okay. Gotta be quick. Wow. I bet Eric and Cynthia can smell this with the exhaust fan if the wind's going their way.
He said if they dropped off the sugar, I asked her if the rum was bothered her any smell this morning.
Oh man, that looks. It's still on. It's still on, yeah. Okay. Now what is that? Just soy sauce?
That's soy sauce.
Okay. Now I see you got another special bottle, the Thousand Island.
That's soy sauce.
Oh, okay. What, you were anticipating running out?
No, it's
No.
a different kind. It's
Oh, okay. Must come out of a gallon jug.
big
Sort
bottle.
of. Big bottle. Yeah. Nice onion.
Let's see. Okay, this is.
Got oil, vegetable oil. Heating up.
So now you're doing the third batch spot.
Eggs. Wow, and no shells. Wow.
I don't like guaranteeing that, but.
Wow.
Alright.
We're having omelet for dinner. Nope.
Not quite.
No. Okay, rice noodles.
Yep. Nope.
Soap, not, are they pre-cooked or
No,
just soaked?
that's soap.
Just soaked, okay. Wow.
Stuff
Oh,
in here.
this- Oh, I get it. Later.
Okay. More soy sauce.
Okay.
A little bit because we'll use that stuff right there.
Uh-huh. Gotcha. You gotta be quick. Is this all stuff that your mom taught you? No? YouTube?
No.
Or just doing it?
It's based on everything.
Uh-huh. This is what you grew up with?
Juice.
Okay.
Right.
Ooh. Mmm. Get noodles and rice. Wow. Wow.
Mess.
Good looking mess.
It's not quite cooked yet.
Uh-huh. Right, gotta cook.
Do that.
All right. Got a taste test. Yep. Do you throw it against the wall like Cynthia would? No?
Not quite.
Okay.
Cooked.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Yeah.
That takes care of that. Now, do you cook it past what I call al dente? For like spaghetti? Louis and I prefer our spaghetti cooked.
Cook
You know,
like mush.
Like, yeah. I don't want to bite into my spaghetti, I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Of course, a lot of times you cook spaghetti and then you're still cooking it because you add the sauce to it and put it all together and then it finishes.
No, it's supposed to be like kind of al dente, but it's like a different kind.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, with rice, it's not going to be like wheat.
Like on mush.
Mm-hmm. Mush.
Wait a minute, you ain't done yet.
Okay, hour and a half, not bad.
Oh, I go to this restaurant anytime.